Hey viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another video. Well, today I'm gonna teach you how to make a simple intro. First of all, you're gonna need some apps. You're gonna need Viva Cut, InShot, background eraser, and PixArt. Let's get into the video. So the first thing we're gonna do, people, is we're gonna search for our background to write our text on. So yeah, we're gonna search for a background. I'm looking for the aesthetic types of background, but I need it in 16:9 ratio, so it make it easier to use to make the intro. So yeah, people, I found this purplish color one, a purple color one. So yeah guys, when you find a background that you desire or want to use, you just download it from the Google Chrome. Then we're gonna go on YouTube and search for no copyright music, cause we want to fight copyright claim, cause it's an intro we're making and it's gonna be on YouTube. So we search no copyright sounds and then we find a sound that we like, and then we're gonna download it. So yeah people, I decided I like the beat, so I copy the URL and I'm gonna use SnapTube to download this beat, cause that's what I use to download most of my stuff. So you can install it and try it out. It's a good app. Yeah people, and when you copy the link in this app, it automatically pops up as you enter the app, so it make it easier to download. So yeah people, our music is now downloaded. Now we're gonna go into PixArt to make the word for our intro. So when you reach in PixArt, you press the little plus button in the middle. Then you're gonna select the background that you previously downloaded. Now you're gonna press search and look for the text. Yeah, the text. Then you're gonna type in what your YouTube channel name is, and then you're gonna choose a desirable font. So after you find a font that you want to use, you make it bigger so it can fit the screen. Then the next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna go to T-stroke and make it black, then go to blend, and then you're gonna select you're gonna select overlay, and then you're gonna make the T-stroke black, and then you adjust it to get that gradient look on the text. Then you download it. Now we're gonna go into our background eraser. You can use any background eraser, but I like this one, that's why I use it. And we're gonna remove the background from our text that we just saved in PixArt. So we're gonna crop it down a little bit, then we're gonna remove the background. So yeah people, this is just me removing the background. Please don't skip video. If you skip the video, you're gonna miss out and you're not going to fully understand what I am doing to make this intro. So yeah people, after we done remove the background, we're gonna save it and then we're gonna exit the app. So yeah people, the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna look for a purple aesthetic background, because the first background we download wasn't to use make the intro, it was to make the word. So we need a purple background. Now once you find a background that suits you, you just repeat the same procedure. We're gonna just download it and get to work. So yeah, now people, we're going to go in InShot. We're gonna open up the app and then we're gonna press new. Then we're gonna select our files. I already downloaded the cloud floating background, so you can just go on YouTube and download that through SnapTube as I shown you before. So I'm just gonna cut this down to about 12 seconds because I don't want it to be too long, Then I'm going to select my other background that I've previously downloaded. Yeah, and then I'm gonna stretch it out to get the right length that I want. So people, basically I'm going to add the sound effect for the transition, and I like the woo sound effect. So if you like any other one you can use it, but this is what I personally prefer. I prefer the second green one, because it gives me a better transition than the rest. So here people, you have to make sure that the sound effect lines up with the transition. Now I'm gonna choose my transition. I personally like the zoom in and out transition. So yeah people, I don't know if you like the sound of that, but I like the sound of that. So now I'm gonna add my second music, my no copyright music, and I'm gonna try to line up the beat drop with it so that the transition, when the beat drops, the text comes up. So now people, I'm estimating where to add my text, which is the picture that we've previously removed the background from. So when you go in there, you see like this small photo up, you just select it and select the image without the background and then adjust it to fit the screen how you want it. Yeah, people, now we have our text and everything lined up. Now we're gonna add some effects to make the text pop a little bit. Basically, I'm just testing out the effects to see what I want, and I'm going through and selecting. Going in here, we're going in transitions, and we're going to make it bounce a little bit so we can have that good effect, you know. So I use the heartbeat one. You can use another one if you like that one better. So now that we have everything, our beat drop line up with our text and everything, now we're gonna make sure that everything is in line. And yes, we have the bouncing effect. Now we're gonna export it in 1080p. So now we're going to our next app that is called the Viva Cut. When you reach here, you're gonna press create, then you're gonna select the file that we previously exported from InShot. We're gonna go through the file and add some effects. So now we're gonna skip out, go in the middle where the word come in, and we're gonna add an effect. I like to choose the flash warning effect, you know, the red and white one. I really like that one, so I'm gonna use that one. Yeah, give that a nice pop. Then I'm gonna stop and I'm gonna use the glitch effect to finish it out, and then we're gonna have our masterpiece. So now we're gonna export it, and then basically that's the end of the video. Hope you enjoy, like, share and subscribe.